Faceless creators don't spend hours hiding their face in every single shot. They let AI automatically do it. BlurMe Studio is an online AI blurring tool that is built for content creators who want to stay anonymous or faceless in their content. It's clean, fast, and entirely online, so you don't need to download any additional editing software. To start, head over to blur.me and upload the video you want to blur. Inside the studio editor, everything is laid out clearly. Your video in the middle, the settings on the left, and a responsive timeline below. Turn on AI detection and face mode to automatically find and blur your face, even while you move. BlurMe tracks your movements throughout the video, saving you from the usual frame-by-frame editing nightmare. And you can play back your video instantly to preview exactly how the blur follows your movements in real time. BlurMe's interface is designed so you can make quick changes easily. In the settings panel, you can choose the exact blur style you want, blur or pixelation, and customize the intensity and size to match your aesthetic. It's simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough for expert video editors. And if you need even more control, the custom blur tool lets you cover any area in the video, such as objects or things in your background. All your videos uploaded to BlurMe are stored in your own private BlurMe dashboard. This workspace keeps everything in one place, making it easy to manage your projects, especially if you're posting consistently or running multiple content streams. This is the workflow top faceless creators rely on for ASMR videos with their faces hidden, public interviews that protect public privacy, and posting on platforms like OnlyFans when they don't want to show their face. BlurMe is optimized for HD and YouTube-ready exports, so your content stays sharp after processing, ready to be downloaded and shared with the world. Why not try it for free? Just visit BlurMe, upload a video, and see how fast the AI handles the blurring for you.